$153,233 in yearly income, or $419 per day. We're going to review David's portfolio. This is super, super inspiring. David is a freaking G. We got to meet up in person a couple days ago, into cars, super awesome dude. And he's been putting in the work. If you are in the UIG, or if you're not yet a member, or if you are a member, jump into the portfolio reviews. People are winning. Daniel's doing $15,000 per year, $42 per day. He's well on his way to $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a year. This is not a joke. If you take this seriously, which you have to, a lot of people, sometimes people will join it. They're just like, oh, I wanted it to be easy. Study it. Commit to it. This is the best type of business that I have ever come across, and you're profitable from day one. Build your DeFi business. Treat your crypto and DeFi as a business. I want to look into some of these positions on David Hill's portfolio. So again, doing about $153,000 a year. Again, the further you go out, the less accurate it is. We like to zoom in a little bit and actually have a look at what's our actual returns here. He's doing around 28% right now. Volumes are high. The crypto markets are doing really well. It's easy to do 10% a month. Some people are doing 20, 25, 29%. In David's case, he is in a little higher risk plays, and he is more aggressive, but he knows himself. He knows his risk tolerance. Even if you slash this in half, you're doing really, really well. Looks like he's been in some positions for over 58 days, which is awesome. He's keeping his portfolio really, really simple. He's got some Turbo ETH on ETH. He's got some Sold USDC over on Orca, some Wrapped ETH Spec, which we're really big fans of in the UIG. We've been playing with this for a little while now. Awesome returns, a lot of volume. USDC Arrow, OVN USD, and Pendle ETH on Arbitrum. Diversified across a few different chains. Monthly returns are ridiculous on some of this. This Turbo ETH, I know he was talking about that, 168% a month. Short-term play, wouldn't recommend it, but it's a part of his portfolio. Not a huge deposit, but it's doing really well. $153,000 per year. Even if you slash that in half and you're less aggressive and you're doing 60, 70 a year, pretty damn good. And there's people doing, I think they're up $3,750 since they joined. I can keep going. Mark is doing over $500 per week right now, and he's well on his way to building a really well diversified portfolio. Jump into the portfolio review section, hang out here for an hour. You will get hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of value, and you can actually see what people are doing, how long they've been in range, and their actual performance. Then you can model your portfolio from that. If you're not in the UIG, join us. If you don't want to join us for whatever reason, grab the free course. It's called DeFi as a Business. We are adding a few things to it. And I'm pretty sure from the DeFi as a Business, we're going to do live trainings every 2 weeks moving forward, where we actually teach some stuff, show you some stuff, have some interaction with you so you can actually ask your questions. And that's going to be in the free DeFi as a Business, so you can check that out. The course is really, really in-depth. I do get DMs from people being like, I paid for courses and your free course is better than the paid stuff. Do check it out if you want to see what we talk about. If you want to go deeper and you want to get a bit of a head start, do check that out. I will leave a comment below and I'll make sure I zap you a link. With that said, I'm going to move myself in the middle. I hope this video inspired you as to what is possible. And I'm going to leave 4 videos on the 4 corners of my screen. After you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, do check out the other videos. Dive in deep, study this stuff. And with that said, I'm going to get out of here. Happy yield farming. Peace.